Meet Joe. Joe's recently been anointed as the company move champion by his managing director. The MD has identified that the organisation needs a damn good shake-up in terms of image, culture and structure, and with the property lease expiry on the horizon, he sees this as a golden opportunity to implement some positive change. The MD said he wants one of those high-performance workplaces that he read about in the Financial Review, one that enables new ways of working by adopting the latest technology and multiple work settings, delivering enhanced productivity and identity for the employees and brand. A workplace that unleashes employees from the burden of inflexible real estate and enables the organisation to be more agile and innovative, delivering the company a higher dividend than its investment in real estate. He said a workplace like this will enable the organisation to harness innovation through increased collaboration, improve efficiency, reduce costs and future-proof the business. Problem is, Joe really isn't sure how to go about procuring this sort of environment. So what does Joe do next? He rings Peter Courier, a commercial real estate agent, his brother-in-law's best mate. Peter offers Joe numerous buildings to choose from within his client's portfolio, none of which are even close to what Joe thinks he needs. He starts receiving calls from other agents and then hundreds of brochures on every product and service under the sun, from buildings in other states of Australia through to indoor plant hire services. Everyone wants a piece of the action. He goes out to lunch with another agent and inspects a property. He repeats this process again and again and again. He starts to get the feeling, despite their overtures and fancy titles, these guys aren't really in it for him. At the end of the day, they're looking after the interests of the building owner, who is their client after all. Still searching, he has meetings with his lawyer who cautions him about the complexity of commercial leases and risk. Then a tenant representative who says he should start early and demand 4% annual rent reviews. An architect who talks about floor plate geometry and chilled beams, a project manager who wants to control time, quality and cost, then an interior designer about occupancy ratios and branding strategies, and then the key staff members within his company to establish what it is they want to achieve out of this process. At the end of this, he's totally confused and not sure where to turn. He finally comes to the realisation that he does need help. He needs someone who is firstly independent and secondly an expert in corporate real estate and workplace projects. Someone that can manage the whole process from start to finish, engage with his stakeholders and develop the best strategy to deliver the MD's vision with guarantees for time, quality and cost. He's introduced to PCG. PCG are workplace experts. They provide strategic property and project services to organisations just like Joe's. They are truly independent and will champion Joe's objectives rather than those of supply-side proponents. It's a match made in heaven. 12 months later, Joe and his company are in their new workplace. The organisation is totally reinvigorated. Productivity, efficiency and morale are at an all-time high, and the corporate real estate equation is working in the favour of the organisation. The MD even gives Joe a promotion for the amazing contribution to the positive transformation of the business. PCG, the workplace experts.